in Maribor in Pekrska gorca. Pekrska gorca is a peak with elevation of 351 meters that can be found in the suburbs of Maribor, Slovenia's second largest town. It is a popular recreational area for people of Maribor, and on a warm December day, my boys and I decided to check it out. We took a short trail up to the top that led us past 4 little chapels. It is an easy dirt path, not suitable for strollers, but easily done with the little kids, even without baby carrier. Legend has it, Pekrska gorca was created by the devil. According to this legend, God got angry of sinful people of Maribor and gave the devil the permission to destroy the town and its residents. Devil supposedly tore the large rock off the top of nearby mountain Pohorje to smash the city. But the mountain was heavy, and he sat down. Then the Mother of God approached him, and he got scared. He fled and left. The abandoned piece of mountain is now known as Pekrska gorca. At the top of Pekrska gorca stands little church of Our Lady of Seven Sorrows. It was built in the 19th century on a place where a cross used to stand. Unfortunately, it was closed when we visited, but we were still able to enjoy its modest exterior and lovely views over Maribor, Pohorje and Drava plain. On the exterior of the church, we also saw the tombstone of important Maribor family, Čiligi family, a family who once owned a brewery and after which is also named one of Maribor defense wall towers. Another reminder of the rich history of Pekrska gorca are concrete foundations of former ski jump. This was built in 1950s after designs of famous Slovenian ski jump architect Stanko Blaudek. It hosted international ski jumping events till 1970s, but was removed in 1980s. We returned down by taking the path through vineyards. This path was a little longer, but a little less steep, and it showed us Pekrska gorca from another angle.